Hello everyone. Now I am going to discuss balancing redox reaction in basic medium. Balancing redox reaction in basic medium. In previous video we are discussing in acidic medium. Now I am discussing in basic medium. So in basic mediums also all steps are similar to balance the equation except balancing of hydrogen. So in acidic medium, to balance the hydrogen atoms we are add H plus ions to the deficiency side of hydrogens. In acidic medium, to balance the hydrogen atoms we are adding H plus ions to the deficiency side. In basic medium, to balance the hydrogen atoms we have to add water molecules, and at the same time to the opposite side add same number of the OH minus ions. In basic medium, to balance the hydrogen atoms we have to add required number of water molecules to the deficiency side of hydrogen deficiency side, and in the same time opposite side we have to add OH minus ions. Okay, first what are the steps? First we have to split the reaction into two off cell reactions. One is reduction off cell reaction, other one is oxidation off cell reaction. To split the reaction or to identify the oxidation and reduction of reactions, we have to identify the oxidation numbers of the central atoms of molecules or ions. So here this is oxidation number of the phosphorus is 0, only same element is present. So in pH 3, if X is equals oxidation number of phosphorus considered as X, hydrogen charge is +1, 3 hydrogens, so +3 equals to 0. Why I am taking 0 here? There is no charge of the molecule, so no charge, it is equals to 0. Now X is equals to -3. Now here phosphorus oxidation number is -3. In pH 3 phosphorus oxidation number is -3. In this ion hydrogen, each hydrogen has +1 charge, so this is +2. Phosphorus considered as X, and oxygen, each oxygen has -2 charge, 2 oxygens are present, so it is -4 equals to -1. Here total charge of the ion -1, so I am taking equals to -1. Now X equals to 4 minus 3, this equals to +1. In this ion oxidation state of phosphorus equals to +1. So here phosphorus 0, here phosphorus -3. 0 to -3 nothing but oxidation number decreases. That is reduction reaction. This is reduction reaction. Next, here phosphorus 0, in this ion phosphorus +1. 0 to +1 nothing but oxidation number increases. It is oxidation reaction. This is oxidation reaction. So first I am taking reduction of reaction. In the right side I am taking oxidation of reaction. So what is the reduction of reaction? P4 gives rise to pH 3. This is reduction of reaction. Here P4 gives rise to H2PO2 minus is oxidation of reaction. Here step by step we have to balance the equation. In first step we have to balance the other atoms. Other atoms nothing but other than oxygen and hydrogen. Here phosphorus is present. Other atom, here phosphorus is present. Balancing other atoms. Balancing other atoms. Here phosphorus, 4 phosphorus atoms are present. Right side only 1 phosphorus atom is present. To balance the phosphorus, pH3 multiply with 4. So now P4 gives rise to 4 pH3. So here also we have to balance other atoms. Here left side phosphorus 4 atoms are present. Here only 1 atom is present. So in the same manner we have to multiply with 4 right side of the reaction. P4 gives rise to 4 H2 PO2 minus. H2 PO2 minus. Next step, in second step we have to balance oxygen atoms. Balancing oxygen atoms. So to balance the oxygen atoms, if oxygen atoms is less, we have to add water molecules. For example, here no oxygens are present. Right side of the reaction also no oxygens are present. So there is no need to balance the oxygens. So above equation write as it is. P4 gives rise to 4 pH3. So in oxidation of reaction also we have to balance oxygen atoms. To balance the oxygen atoms we have to add required number of water molecule in deficiency side. So in this reaction left side no oxygens, right side 4 to the 8 oxygens are present. So to balance the oxygens, left side of the reaction we have to add 8 water molecules. In left side no oxygens, in right side 4 to the 8 oxygens are present. To balance the oxygens we have to add 8 water molecules to the left side of the reaction. So now P4 plus 8H2O gives rise 4 H2PO2 minus. Next we have to balance hydrogen atoms. Balancing hydrogen atoms. In acidic medium, to balance the hydrogen atoms we have to add H plus ions directly, but in this basic medium we have to add water molecules to deficiency side. In the same number of OH minus ions we have to add opposite side. So observe here, in this reduction of reaction left side no hydrogens are present, right side 4 3 is 12 hydrogens are present. So now we have to add 12 water molecules to the left side of the reaction. At the same time 12 OH minus ions to the right side of the reaction. So here left side of the reaction no hydrogens, right side of the reaction 4 3 is 12 hydrogens are present. To balance the hydrogen atoms in basic medium we have to add required number of water molecules to the deficiency side. At the same time same number of OH minus ions add to the opposite side to the water molecules. So here 12 hydrogens we have to add, 12 water molecules. P4 plus 12 H2O molecules gives 4 pH3 plus 12 OH minus ions. To the deficiency side of hydrogens, we have to add required number of water molecules. At the same time, same number of OH minus ions we have to add opposite side to the water molecule. Here also we have to balance the hydrogen atoms in the same way. So here 8 2s are 16 hydrogen atoms are present. Here 4 2s are 8 hydrogen atoms are present. So 8 hydrogen atoms deficient to the right side of the oxidation of reaction. So 8 water molecules we have to add. P4 plus 8 H2O gives 4 H2PO2 minus plus 8 H2O. At the same time we have to add 8 OH minus ions to the opposite side to the hydrogens. Here 8 H2O will cancel. Next we have to balance the charges. Balancing charges. Here no charges are present to the left side of the reduction of reaction. In right side minus 12 is present. So minus 12 nothing but 12 electrons excess right side of the reaction. So we have to add 12 electrons to the left side of the reaction. Now P4 plus 12 H2O plus 12 electrons gives rise to 4 pH3 plus 12 OH minus ions. Here also we have to add electrons to the deficiency side. Here 8 OH minus, each OH has minus 1, 8 OH minus, so minus 8 charge to the left side of the reaction. Here this is minus 1, 4, so minus 4. Left side of the reaction 8 electrons is excess, right side of the reaction 4 electrons are excess. Difference between the left and right side 4 electrons are different, means 4 electrons excess to the left side of the reaction, so we have to add 4 electrons to the right side of the reaction. Minus 8 nothing but 8 electrons excess to the left side of the reaction. Here minus 4 nothing but 4 electrons excess to the right side of the reaction. Compared to these two, comparatively right side, left side of the reaction 4 electrons is excess, so we have to add 4 electrons to the right side of the reaction. Now P4 plus 8 OH minus gives 4 H2PO2 minus plus 4 electrons. So charges also equal in both oxidation and reduction reaction. Now you have to equalizing the electrons. In fifth step, equalizing the electrons, means in reduction of reaction and oxidation of reaction we have to equal the electrons, means here 12 electrons is present, here 4 electrons is present, so total this reaction multiply with 3 to equalizing the electrons. Here 12 electrons is present, in this reaction 4 electrons is present, so to equalizing the electrons this total equation multiply with 3. By multiplying, this is P4 plus 12 H2O plus 12 electrons gives 4 pH3 plus 12OH minus. This equation 3P4 plus 3 8s 24, 24OH minus plus utilize 3 4s 12, 12H2PO2 minus plus 3 4s 12 electrons. Now we have to add the both of reactions. If any electrons or ions or molecules are similar to the opposite side of the reaction, both are cancelled to each other. For example, 12 electrons here left side of the reaction, here 12 electrons right side of the reaction, so these two are cancelled to each other. In left side of the reaction 24 OH minus ions present, in right side of the reaction 12 OH minus ions present, so these are 12 cancel, here remaining 12 OH minus ions are present. So I am writing total equation. This is P4, this is 3P4, so I am writing 4P4 plus 12H2O plus 12OH minus utilize 4PH3 plus 12H2PO2 minus. So this is the addition equation, but balancing equation always should be present in simple equation. Balancing equation always should be present as simple equation. So this is, we can total reaction we can divide with 4. Total reaction we can divide with 4. We will get 4 4s are cancelled. P4, 4 3s 12. 3H2O plus this is also 4 3s are 12. So 3 OH minus ions gives less. This is 4 4 will be cancelled. PH3, this is 4 3s are 12, so 3H2PO2 minus. This is the balanced simple equation. This is also balanced equation, but comparatively first one, this is the simplest form of the balancing equation. So this is the balancing equation in basic medium. Only in balancing of hydrogen atoms, only difference between acidic medium and basic medium. Okay, thank you.